Hello again, welcome to No Problem Vegan. Today I am sharing with you what my father-in-law made us for lunch. This first dish, bunjal chicken, I contributed to our meal. It is a type of curry especially popular in Guyanese cuisine where chicken is cooked down until there is very little curry or gravy left. I used Abbott's plant-based chicken for this recipe. I enjoy experimenting with this particular product. So far, some of my favorites I've made are empanadas, pot pie. I even use them from time to time as a buffalo chicken topping for pizza. This is cauliflower and potato curry. It has a lovely creaminess to it. Here we have fried cabbage that added some crunch to our plate. This is coconut choka, in other words, roasted coconut that is grounded with seasonings. This is split peas dal, which we pour all over our rice and ties everything together. And finally, brown jasmine rice to enjoy it all with. And that's our lunch for today, a comforting homemade meal packed with culture, flavor, and love. Thanks for watching No Problem Vegan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.